Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a batch of Nutella brownies. Let's begin. To start on this recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into your bowl place your melted butter and cocoa powder and whisk the two together until they are very well combined. You will notice that the mixture becomes thicker, smoother and glossier in colour and consistency, and this is what you're looking for. It may still be a little bit warm, but don't worry. Then you can go ahead and add in all of your sugar and just whisk this in until it's fully incorporated. You will find that the mixture, once the sugar has been incorporated, is quite granular. This is completely normal, so don't worry. It will alleviate as we add the wet ingredients. So once your sugar has been fully incorporated, you can then go ahead and add in your eggs. Add them in all at once or one at a time, it really depends on you. Don't forget to add in your vanilla and just whisk until everything is fully combined. The mixture will loosen and it will go back to that smooth and glossy consistency that you're looking for. But then you can go ahead and just add in your dry ingredients, followed by the chopped hazelnuts and your chocolate chips, and just fold those in until everything is fully incorporated. I find it better to fold as you know when to stop mixing, whereas when you're whisking you may still find pockets of dry ingredients which aren't pleasant. So once you can't see a single trace of any ingredient, you know to stop mixing. You don't want the brownies to become overworked or nasty like that. Take a batter and pour it into your 9 by 9 inch cake tin, which has been lined with some parchment paper, and get all of the batter in there as possible. Then just spread and level it out as best as you possibly can. This will help with the baking time and consistencies. If you don't level it up, you may have one bit that's a bit thicker and one that's not, and the bit that's thicker will not bake. You know, it's all about the consistency, so just spread it out to be as level as you possibly can. And then the next step I find optional, but I like to take some Nutella which has been warmed, and then just place dollops on top, and then use a knife to swirl it around so you get a pretty pattern on top. So just as you thought you may be done, no, you're not. You can top the brownies with some more of the chopped hazelnuts, and if you really want to, some more chocolate chips. I just find it adds to the flavour and the texture. You don't have to do this, but once you've got all of that added, you can then go ahead and place it into your oven and bake it up. All of the baking times and temperatures you'll need will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. So here we are the following morning. I made these on the night and I placed them into the fridge once they were cool enough. By placing them into the fridge, it makes it easier to cut them up, and it makes them fudgier and denser, which is perfect for a brownie. If you like a cakey brownie, get out of here. I cut mine into 9 portions, but you could cut yours into 8 or however many you actually need. Each portion is quite large, and you do get a lot, so you can probably share it between 2 if you're not feeling particularly hungry. These are quite sickly as they've got a lot of chocolate, but if you like the chocolate hazelnut combination, this is the recipe for you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.